Welcome to practical number 7 of Arduino based system design lab. In the simulation session of part 7, we have seen the details of LCD and how to interface LCD with Arduino. And we have created the Proteus setup for the same. And we have discussed the program too. So the same program for displaying the text using LCD here is written. So I am going to upload the same program. That is nothing but the pin number 12115432 of the Arduino Uno are going to be used for LCD connection. So pin number 12 as the RS pin, 11 for enable, 5432 for respective 4-bit data. So here the LCD is configured into 4-bit mode as discussed in a simulation session. And here we are going to print hello world on the LCD screen. So I am going to verify this code. So after verification, it is going to give me the message as done compiling. Then I am going to upload the code on the kit which is connected to here. So here you can see that the LCD starts printing hello world with the corresponding timer values, which shows the time in seconds. So you can see the total setup. The similar configuration is created over here. That is nothing but pin number 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, 2. So here as you can see, we have discussed pin number 3 is nothing but contrast for the LCD. So if I vary the port which is connected to pin number 3, the contrast can be adjusted. So here I have kept the contrast at this position to display the text. So now I am going to upload the second code, that is nothing but the scrolling display code that we have discussed in our simulation session. So here the aim is to display the text with scrolling display. So I am going to verify the code now. And then I am going to upload the same code over the LCD connected. So you can see here on the LCD display, the text are going to be scrolled by the position of 2, because in the program we have written that the text should be scrolled towards left side by the position of 2. So you can see the display is going to scroll. So the setup is available over here. You can change the scrolling positions also. So depending upon the commands that we have discussed in a simulation session, so such set of commands are available in your liquidcrystal.h library of Arduino IDE. So here interfacing LCD with Arduino Uno makes very simple due to the use of inbuilt library. So the commands like lcd.begin, lcd.print, lcd.setCursor. So these commands helps us to directly connect, or just by passing the arguments you can actually make your LCD to show any text. So this is very simple way to work with this Arduino. Otherwise you have to take lot of efforts as discussed in a simulation session. So similar such commands are available under liquidcrystal.h library. So as a part of interest, you can go with these commands and make use of that. Thank you.